Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know we are just glowing to the gods right now, and are you mad about it? Because I'm not mad about it. I'm always here for the glow, you know. So yeah, I created this look for Valentine's Day. If you're single, if you're taking it, don't matter. You can just wear this look out wherever you want, even on a day-to-day basis. It doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. I just thought it would be a cute look. I hope you guys like this look, and without me further blabbering my ass off, let's get on to the video. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Truffle. So basically I'm just gonna use this to contour my face a bit and just bring some life back into this dull skin, you know. So I say this in like literally every video that I do, but it's just an important thing. So you want to kind of curve it instead of just taking that line straight down, because this way it'll just kind of mimic like your actual cheekbones and give you that like lifted effect. As always, I'm just gonna go right below my eyebrow and then just bring it down onto these sides. So before I blend this out, I'm gonna apply a cream blush at the same time so I can just blend everything together. I'm gonna go in with this new product I haven't tried yet. This is the Maybelline Cheek Heat Sheer Gel Cream Blush in the shade Fuchsia Spark. I don't understand why the names on these products are just getting longer and longer each time. Like, why are all these brands trying to just make our lives 10 times harder? I don't know. I have no clue. But yeah, this is pretty much what it looks like. I love cream blushes because I have dry skin, so I kind of tend to stay away from powdered products and really focus on like cream products because it's just the way to go, especially if you struggle with dry skin. You know what I'm talking about. I literally look like a fucking clown. Love it. I'm gonna take this busted up looking ass Maybelline, I think it's called Dark Age, it's the Age Rewind eraser dark circle. You guys know what I'm talking about. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna apply this under my eyes and then maybe on my chin and my forehead to, you know, get that highlighted effect going. Now that we look like a full-on clown, we're gonna blend all this ish out. I'm gonna take the Real Techniques Booty Blender. Let's start off with the highlighter first and then blend that out and then move to the other stuff. And what do I always say when it comes to blending out your bronzer? Never downwards, always upwards. I feel like over time I've become pretty aggressive with my face. I think the very first time that I ever like applied makeup on my face, I would be like so gentle and nice with it, but now I'm just like, bitch, gotta blend this shit out. I only have 5 minutes to do this shit, you know? That's how it be. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a V-Day makeup look, and do I know exactly what I'm gonna be doing? No. Do I ever know what I'm doing? No. But are we gonna figure it out and hope for the best? Yes. Yes, we are. Next up on the cream train, I'm gonna apply some cream highlighter. Looks like a cute nail polish bottle. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Setting Powder. I'm really just going to grab some and apply some under the eye. Now it looks very crazy, guys. I'm gonna blend it out. Hold on. Okay, now I'm just gonna go in with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm gonna kind of bake below where we contoured. Now I'm just gonna let that set there until we work on the eyes. So for the eyes, I have no clue on what I want to do. I just know that I have to incorporate like red or pink into the look because it is a Valentine's Day makeup look. So let's just see where this goes. You know, this is also a surprise for me as well. You know, I'm gonna first take the nude medium Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to start off with this shade over here. I just kind of use that as the initial transition shade. I'm just going to kind of bring it up to my eyebrows as well. You know, I honestly love this blending brush. This is the Luxie 205 tapered blending brush. Guys, I'm telling you, like you could probably see from the looks of it, but this is legit the best blending brush ever. Like it literally blends everything so easily. Like you don't have to struggle, or you know, your hands won't even get cramped up or anything. I'm just blending, and it's just a great brush to have. And it's like affordable as well. Like there's two choices in my head right now. Like, do I want to go romantic or like do I want to go crazy? Like which one? I wish I could just like talk to you guys somehow and like get your decision on the spot type of thing. But let's see. How about we do both? You know, let's go crazy like on the bottom lash line, and then just go very simple and romantic at the top. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Okay, I'm gonna take the Morphe X Jeffree Star blending brush in the JS9, and I'm gonna take this shade over here, like a very nice blush tone. I'm kind of just blending this like into my crease as well. Like I'm not taking it all the way to the very top like we did with the first shade. I'm just kind of stopping it at where my crease is and just putting it all over the lid as well. It reminds me of like a shade that Barbie would wear, a super muted down nude shade. Okay, so I want to kind of go up like very soft at the top of my eyelid, so I'm just gonna take this dark shade over here, and I'm just gonna mimic like a liner, like a wing pretty much, but with shadow. Like I don't want to use eyeliner or anything like that. Okay, so with that same brush that I did the liner with, I'm going to just kind of angle it downward and mimic a cat eye effect. This step might hurt the look or even make the look. We don't know, but we're gonna try. So I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty Neon palette, and I'm gonna take this shade over here. And so I'm gonna be using the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush in the JH39 to apply the shade. Basically, apply it on the bottom lash line area. It's not bad. Not bad at all. So I want it to look a little bit more on the hot pink side, and I feel like that's like a darker shade of hot pink. So I'm just gonna take... You wanna start beef, bitch? Bitches be playing today, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna take this shade over here from the James Charles X Morphe palette. I'm low-key mad that James Charles and Morphe like came out with the miniature version of this palette. Like around this time. It's like, why didn't you guys come up with that in the first place? You know, because this is so huge. It literally takes up my whole entire makeup space, and it's like the struggle is real, you know. But it's just like so damn good because it's like so versatile that you can just literally use it in every look. So it's just like, this is like my go-to palette. Like I love this palette no matter what. So I'm just gonna deal with it. So I'm gonna apply this shade right on top. That is what I'm talking about. Okay, with the same brush, I'm gonna take this shade over here and kind of apply it over top of the hot pink that we did on the bottom lash line. It's very subtle, but like in person it looks super nice. I think this is it for the eyeshadow portion. Like, I'm gonna stop it right here because I think it looks good. So I'm just gonna take the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I'm pretty sure you guys are all aware of how freaking good this shit is, okay? Okay, lashes are on, as well as my brows. So for lashes, I went in with the Sephora Collection Brush Tip Lash Adhesive. And then I applied some House of Lashes Iconics. And then for the brows, I went in with the Benefit Gimme Brow in the number 5. And then the Anastasia Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. And then I used the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS7 brush to do the brows. And then now I'm just gonna brush away like the bake that we had on. So I'm just gonna use the JS8 and then just brush everything out. For bronzer, I'm gonna go in with the Hoola by Benefit. I'm just gonna use the brush that I came with to do my nose contour. This is like the perfect shape for like your nose and stuff. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna use the shade Party by Tarte. Okay, so now I'm gonna set the face with the Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. Okay, for the lips, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Whirl Lip Liner and align my lips. And then for the lipstick, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Whirl and just apply this all over. And just in the center, I'm gonna go in with the MAC lipstick in the shade Viva Glam 2. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Glow Kit in the That Glow. I'm just gonna mix these 3 shades together and basically go crazy. So the final last step is to set my face once again, and I'm gonna go in with the MAC Fix Plus and pretty much just set and drown myself. Honestly, I am so grateful that there is a such thing called a setting spray in this world, because I don't know what I would be doing without it. Okay guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you think down below as always. It's cute, it's cute. And as always, don't forget to like to let me know you enjoyed this video, and comment down below what you guys want to see from me next. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my Insta right over here. I do post pretty frequently there, so check me out there and let's be friends. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys very, very soon.